I don't want no unhealthy vibes. I'm supposed to wake up every morning and shine. Yeah. I'm supposed to live my life like I'm.
What up, though? Welcome back to the world. What's good, YouTube, man? You know, today is a good day. Hold on, yeah, today is a good day, man. I was blessed to wake up today. Last night I was in a car accident, and today I'm feeling good, you know what I'm saying? And this video is gonna be about turning your negatives into positive. And I figured I'd be showing y'all the good parts and the fun parts of my life, so it's only right that I show y'all the down parts too, you know? So today we gonna be getting this car fixed, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be fixing this car, go get the parts, put them on, and get this car back together the way it need to be, because I can't be out here riding around in no little bucket, you know what I'm saying? You know how you see those people, you pull up and the car is black, but the bumper is white, and the door is green, and shit like that. I can't be, like, no offense to the people who drive cars like that, but I can't be riding around like that. So when something happened to you, don't let that stop you, don't let that hold you down, you know what I'm saying? You gotta bounce back, and you gotta bounce back instantly, you know what I'm saying? And I'm the king of that. That's my life story. That's what I've been doing my whole life. Every time I get one step ahead, you know what I'm saying, obstacle come out of nowhere, setback come out of nowhere, and you just gotta get over it, you know what I'm saying? You gotta just keep going. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna let y'all see the damage on the car, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna fix this shit. We're gonna get back to the normal program.
So that's my door, you know, pretty much fucked. It's kind of hard to see because it's bright outside right now. Let me see. Y'all can see it though. Yeah, my driver door is pretty much gone, and my fender pretty much gone too. So I'm gonna have to get a new fender and get a new door.
Get a quick thumbnail. Yeah, I'm trying to get a thumbnail real quick, but yeah, my car pretty much ugly right now. It's hella embarrassing to drive like this. Like I said though, man, we're gonna get it fixed. Today is about turning negatives into positives, man. That's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna fix this shit. We ain't gonna let this shit stop us or stop the grind, you know what I'm saying? But
Definitely making the car look a little ugly. It's alright though. New door on the way, new fender on the way. This just life, man. It's just shit that happen in life, you know. And we gotta just get over it. Don't let that shit, anything happen to you in life, man, don't let that shit slow you down and stop your progress. You just gotta figure it out. You know what I'm saying? Take it one step at a time. And, you know what I'm saying, get back to your grind. So, yeah. Continue to watch the video. And, you know what I'm saying, leave a like right now. You know what I'm saying? Just for me turning my negatives into a positive and providing you with some entertainment while I'm doing it. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so now I then went and got the parts, right? As you can see, I got the door right there. Obviously, that's black. My car is gray, so the door is gonna have to get painted. And so is the fender, which is right here. Fender is right there. Door is right here. So what we gonna do is we gonna sand this fucking door, and we gonna sand. Oh, the fender is brand new. so it don't need to be sand or primed or nothing. It's just ready for paint already. So I'm gonna start painting that immediately. This shit, the door gotta get sanded. This is a used door, so this door gotta get sanded, and then I'm gonna start painting it.
My objective is to get this door sanded and get the first coat of paint on before sunset. So this one, the fender, I'm gonna start painting that right now. I got this big ass jacket on and shit. It's cold out here. I'm doing this outdoors, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, so I took the door panel off of that door right there, because like I said, my door panel in my car is still intact. So let's take that one off. I'm gonna just put mine back on there when I put the door back on the car. I'm about to flip this over, set this back up on these stools, and start sanding it. So, as you can see, well, as you probably can't see, but I put the first coat on the fender. Can't really tell, but you kind of can see it a little bit. You see how it's like silverish a little bit, but it's mostly still black. So put the first coat on. That's the key to doing this.
You gotta do light coats, you know what I'm saying? That's the only way it's gonna come out right. It ain't gonna be factory right, but it'll be a good, you know what I'm saying, passable. So do light coats if you're doing something like this. And then you probably gotta put like fucking like about 10 coats on here. So I might have to run to the store and get some more paint. I think I should have enough, but I don't know for sure. So I'm about to hurry up and get this door sanded down so I can get at least one coat on before the sun is down. Alright, so it's actually the next day right now. The paint is done drying, and I did such a good job on this shit, you wouldn't even think I used spray paint.
Fender right here. It's a little darker back here, so y'all might not be able to see it. Yeah, you can't see it on camera, but the door is gray. You know, it was black at first, how I showed y'all. See if I can. So the door is gray now, as you can see. You make steps, and I just put another clear coat on here. That's why it looked like there's some spots down there, like down there and stuff, but it's really still wet paint drying. But yeah, I did such a good job on this shit, you wouldn't even think I used spray paint. But it's getting darker now, the sun going down. It's actually 6 o'clock. It's actually about 6 o'clock right now, so I'm about to put the parts back on in the dark, so I ain't gonna be able to film that. But I'm definitely gonna show y'all what it looked like when I'm finished and the parts is all back on the car and shit like that. So I'm about to let this paint dry for like another half hour to an hour, and then I'm gonna put the parts on the car and shit like that. And then I'll probably pick up the camera again tomorrow in the morning so y'all can see what the finished product look like. Alright, so it's the next day. Got the parts all back on the car. I'm about to show it to y'all. Like I said, of course it's not gonna be 100% perfect because I did it all by hand, sanded it by hand, painted it by hand. So it's not gonna be 100% perfect, but it's better than what it was before. So I'm about to show it to y'all right now. And mind you, my car is dirty and they got these freshly painted parts on there, so. Okay, now obviously right off the bat you can tell, you know what I'm saying, see the color difference, but it's close enough, you know what I'm saying. It's close enough so where I can take it to Mako and get it touched up. I mean, get a whole new paint job on it, so. This is what the side, the normal side looked like, but it wasn't touched. And we got this side. So, yeah, man, that's pretty much it right there. That was as good as I could get it. So, you know what I'm saying? We back on the streets now. We rolling, we operational. Operational, you know what I'm saying? It ain't perfect, but shit, it's good enough for now anyway. And then once I get it to Mako, once I take it to Mako, or whatever body shop I take it to and let them repaint it, I'm gonna show y'all the new paint job on this bitch. But man, like I said, leave a like on this video, man. Just for the fact that, you know what I'm saying, I was able to turn my misfortune into some entertainment for y'all and just to motivate y'all, you know what I'm saying, when some shit happen. Don't let that shit stop you. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get over that shit. Gotta get over it and then get to the next, you know what I'm saying, next step you got. So yeah, man, that's it for this vlog. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel to win the giveaway. You know what I'm saying? And comment down below, man. Let me know when you had some hard time, when you felt like you couldn't bounce back from it, but you was able to overcome it and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Let me hear what y'all problems y'all be facing and shit. Y'all obstacles y'all gotta overcome too. You know what I'm saying? But, all right, we out this John.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
We gonna start this thing alright. Duval in the motherfucking house. Come on, come on. Do it, baby, stick it, baby. Do it, baby, stick it, baby. Do it, baby, stick it, baby. Do it, baby, stick it.